Hello, hello. It is time for another Dollar Tree haul. And yes, all the fall and Halloween items are slowly coming out. Some stores more than others. But these I found on the end cap when you walk in, not necessarily the aisles yet. A lot of school supplies still right there. But they do have the really cute signs coming out. And I showed you this sign the other day. They come in blue and this red. And if you didn't see the video with the pumpkin tutorial, you can click on the playlist, like click on Serendipity's Closet, and then if you go down to the playlist, you're going to see how to make this pumpkin out of flowers and add your sign to it. So you most definitely want to subscribe and check out all the fun things that we have made. And I also want to mention that if you do decide to make this wreath, I have several people ask me, why do you start your flowers at the top and lift up rather than start from the bottom? Well, first of all, we all learn differently, we all craft differently, and for me, when I look at how it's going to be even, my eye sees from the top. I can hang pictures in a straight line like nobody's business. I look at things from the top. I can look at something and see how it's built, but we all have to do things that are comfortable for us. If I were to start at the bottom and look at it, I can't tell if it's going to be uneven one way or another. If you can do it the other way, that's entirely up to you. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just trying to share the basics with you, and you do what's easiest for you. This is the way I make all my flower wreaths, and you can check them out. I have a sugar skull, I have a butterfly, I have this one, so there are several, and I do them all the same, only so when I hold it back, I can tell that it's even as I'm working. So if you can do it from the bottom up and clearly see with your eye, then that's great for you. But this video is also in the playlist tutorial. Then I was lucky enough to get 2 of the pumpkin wreaths. These were about an hour away from my home in Naperville, Illinois. I was driving by and I thought, oh, let me run in and see what they have. So I was able to get 2 of these, and I do have an idea with these, so I hope to be posting soon. I was also lucky enough to get these in Naperville. They are the metal signs. They come with 3. Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome. So the Welcome you can use at any time. The other 2 are perfect for the fall coming up. It's a 3-pack, so that's a great price for the money. Then I found the little scarecrow. These also come in blue and maroon. So you can even do a wreath of some sort, and you can add the head at the top, the bottom, and then you can add the little feet at the bottom. If you wanted to make a round body, you can do that, with your floral foam like this. And then you can have the head at the top, the body made out of mesh, add the legs at the bottom, and the harvest in the center. So there's a lot of things you can do with these. Then they have these. Again, they are not at all the stores, because when I'm out and about, I check to see what they have. These were actually in LaGrange, Illinois, and they come in purple and they come in green. I like the green because it sticks out more, but again, you can make a fun witch head or wreath or whatever you want to do. You can add a body, and then you can put the feet on there. Again, this witch tutorial is on my playlist as well, and that is all with Dollar Tree supplies. So we got the feet. I thought these socks were really cute. I'm going to give them to my son or his girlfriend. They like to wear fun, goofy socks, and they're coming out with a lot of really cute ones, but you got to get them quickly because they sell out so fast. They have several different containers like this for the fall. I believe they have a ghost, they have the owl. There was like 4 or 5. I think they have a little haunted house, and you can put flowers in there. Maybe you want to decorate it and you want to put some pens in there. But the little owl is cute for any time. You can decorate it. You can put rhinestones on there. And they have all kinds of fun little things at Dollar Tree to be able to do that. Then I got this really cute sign, which I thought was really nice because, yes, it's football season for many things, but these you can use for several different crafts. So you can take these all apart and you can use the footballs maybe in a football wreath. They do carry the ribbon that looks like the yard line, and then you can do like a green mesh and you can add the footballs on there. So this one, I don't really remember where I got it. It was probably locally because I do shop at several different Dollar Trees and I buy things along the way. So this is another one you want to check out and see if you can get. I got this pail, because I've never seen them discolored like this. It's almost like the distressed look. But what you can also do is you can spray paint this, maybe a deep orange for the fall, and you can put one of your little metal signs on here, and then you can take the foam that Dollar Tree sells and you can do an artificial arrangement with the little different pumpkins and squash. So I thought this was really cute. I have an idea for it, so you'll want to stay tuned and check that out. I found these really cute little witch hats. See how cute they are? They would be perfect to put even in a display if you were going to do them like this and you wanted to do a Halloween display. Then you can change the picks out and you can do something for fall and change out your picks for the season. I got this guy because I wanted to try something new with him. And these are coming out. They usually have the smaller ones. There's like 6 in a pack. We dressed those up last year too, so those were in the tutorials. But this year, I want to try something fun with him. So you'll want to start picking up some of these things because I'm posting videos again. I also picked up this item because I have a new series coming up. And yes, this is a bowl from Dollar Tree. And you're going to be surprised what I'm going to use this for, but they do carry these, and I have a few ideas to help some of you with your decorating and party displays and things like that. So this tutorial is going to be coming up soon, but I did pick up 2 of the splatter screens. I don't know where they're at, but everybody's making the splatter screen pumpkin wreaths, which are really, really adorable. I don't really know where the original video came from. I'm not making that. I'm making something brand new with it, so you're going to want to stay tuned, and you're going to want to check it out. So again, subscribe to my channel, but here's something I want to tell you. I know that some of you say, well, I thought this was a craft channel. If you look at the header of my channel, I was a boutique owner. I sold women's clothing, jewelry, handbags. I did DIY. I rented space to those that were craft vendors, so they had a place to display and sell their items, send their customers. So while everybody's looking for a tutorial, I also like to teach people, and I created a free blog series to teach all of you how to sell on your own blog. Now, some of you may not sell. Maybe some of you just want to create a blog and you want to create to show what you know how to make, or because there's ways you can earn income. I know that I lost a handful of subscribers, only a handful, because I think that they thought, well, I thought this was a craft channel. Well, I do everything, and if I can teach you and show you something new, here is one way that you can earn money. For instance, if I had my blog up and I wanted to sell this, all I have to do is create a link with this with either Stripe or PayPal, create a fun blog post, share it to Pinterest. I can even pay for advertising. When they click on my blog, they can buy this direct. You want to make sure you have more than one resource to sell. So yes, you can sell on Facebook and you can sell on Etsy and eBay and all those places, but you want to be able to save on the fees. You're never going to get away with a credit card fee because you're always going to have to pay that. But if you have your own blog, you won't be paying the fees to eBay and Etsy and all of them. So the new tutorials are below, and I posted 6 in a row because I wanted you to be able to go step by step, and I'm going to be adding 1 or 2 videos each week regarding the blog and how to create your own, along with a new blog that's going to show you how to become an Amazon affiliate, how to add those affiliate links to your blog, and how to earn income, not just with your own things, but by promoting other products. So I hope that some of you stick with me, and if you missed the tutorial on how to add the ears to this, I also did a video on that. Again, that is on the playlist below. So I'm trying to help all of you. I hope that you'll stick with me. I realize some of you may not want to learn how to blog. That's just not your thing, but that doesn't mean that you should check out because 1 or 2 videos aren't what you want. You're going to miss out on a lot of other fun things that you can be doing with your family, your friends, giving as gifts simply because you didn't like the blog post. And the blog post is just there to help some people earn extra income, earn extra revenue. I'm just trying to help a lot of you because I know I see so many times I don't know where to post, I don't know what to do, and I just want to help all of you. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you'll subscribe. We have a lot of fun things, or I should say I do. I always say we because my helper Lulu's always here. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I have some fun videos coming up really, really soon. So subscribe, and I will talk to you all really, really soon. Bye now.